my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and do a twist out tutorial. If you want to see how I came from dry to moisturized and defined, keep watching, my loves. Hi guys, so I'm actually getting ready to go wash my hair because I want to attempt to do a twist out. My twist outs tend to suck, so I figured now that I'm quarantined, I'm going to try to practice more and more so I can get better at doing it. Just wanted to show you guys how dry my hair is right now. It's really bad, and I have type 4 hair, so it gets really dry and really just ugh. So we're gonna bring it back to life. I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash my hair using one of my favorite conditioners to co-wash with. I actually mentioned this in my favorites conditioners video. I will link it above for anyone that has not seen it. So let me go wash this and prep it, and then we're gonna attempt to give me some really cute twist outs. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my hair is washed. I also prepped it. I went in with my liquid leave-in. You guys know I love to use 2 different leave-ins. So I used my liquid leave-in and then I used my cream leave-in. And then to seal all that moisture in, I went in with my hair balm oil. So now we're just going to go in with my Blue Magic hair grease and my Lotta Body coconut and shea oils moisturize me curl and styling milk. I'm going to use both of these to put my hair in a couple of twists. So I have my hair divided into 4 sections, and I'm going to do about 5 or 6 twists within each section. I don't really want tiny twists. I kind of want them a little big. So we'll just see how it comes out. I'm excited. So let's just jump right on in. So I'm going to take this section here. It's already moisturized. You can like see some of the products still on the hair. And I'm just going to use a comb, and I'm just going to go ahead and part. And then I'm going to go in with the Blue Magic hair grease. I actually have been loving this. So my first time using this was in my mini twist tutorial, and I loved the amount of moisture it gave my hair. And also when I took my hair down to wash it, I loved the way the definition looked. So I was like, you know what, this is definitely something I'm going to try again. Like I said earlier, I struggle with doing really good twist outs. So I'm thinking this might help me achieve a really good look with my twist outs. So I'm going to take about this much, massage it throughout my hands. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my hair. I'm going to just run my comb through it a little bit. And I'm using a wide tooth comb so it's not going to rip out any hair. I'm going to split this section in half. And then I'm going to start to twist. Okay, so now I'm going to go throughout my head. I'm just going to repeat the same process. So let's get started. Yeah. So this side is completely done. I ended up with 7 twists. I'm going to go ahead now and start working on the other sections. Let's go. So for the little front areas, I'm just going to use my Edge Boost Gel just to make it lay flat. It's optional. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. All right, guys, so we're done. The twists are done and they look good. I am going to now let them dry and I will take them out tomorrow for the final reveal, and we'll see if I was able to get really good definition with this twist out. Wish me luck, my loves. So it is the next day. What's up? How's it going? I just finished my glam, so we're gonna go ahead and take down my hair. Fingers crossed that it looks right. When I actually ended this video last time, I didn't show you guys how I was prepping it for bed. I did do like the stretch method with it, where I went throughout it and I put rubber bands in it just to kind of stretch it as much as possible. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that when I was taking it down, like, as you can see, like there's a rubber band here, there's a rubber band here, and then I attached a rubber band here to stretch it, and then I put one down here to stretch it, and I did that on this side also. So I'm just gonna take this down. I'm nervous. Like I told you guys, I'm not the best at twist outs, but I'm really gonna start challenging myself to do more twist outs and braid outs. Like I really normally rely on my buns and my mini twists as like my way of doing like my natural protective hairstyles, but I want to get better with this because I feel like you can really create some cute looks with your twist outs. So the oil I'm going to be using to help me take these out is going to be my Make It Last Wash and Go Curl Revival Oil, and this is by Shea Moisture. This is one of my favorite oils by them. I'm obsessed with this. I use this lipstick on my teeth. Wow. Okay. So I use this when I am reviving my wash and goes. And what they mean by this is after 2 or 3 days, your wash and goes can look a little dry. You would just mist this in your hand and then put it throughout your hair. So I sometimes use it just for other things because I just love the smell of this. I just love this oil in general. What else was I going to say? Yeah, I love this oil just in general. So like, if you can get your hands on it, try it, and I promise you, you're going to love it. The only thing you're going to dislike about this oil, and I'm going to keep it all the way real, is this right here. It squirts straight. Like, you'll see, when I squirt it in my hand, it's very straight. Like, if you wanted to just mist it throughout your hair, you cannot do that with this oil. But it's a really good oil, and it's really moisturizing, and it smells really, really good. So, you're going to see, I'm going to go ahead and squirt it into my hands. And you see how straight that is? You see how straight that is? Like, you don't want to mist your hair with that. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, that's not what you want to do. You're not misting your hair with that. It's literally just going to go into one area. Like, so let's get started. I'm nervous. I hope it comes out perfect. And I'm really going to take my time to take these down because I want to wear my hair like this for at least the next 2 days to go sit on my couch. So that's just what I want to do. So I'm taking my time to unravel them. Okay, we got some definition. It's not bad. Okay. Okay. Let me just get some of this hair out of the way. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. I am feeling this. Okay. Guys, I love this. I love this. Oh my God, I love this. All right, let's do this side. I'm going to go ahead and squirt my hand down a little bit more oil. So I rub the oil in, and I'm going to go in on this side. I'm just going to squeeze the oil into the hair very gently. Okay, this is what it's looking like right now. So at this point, if you want, you can go in and give it more life. And then you would just kind of go throughout all of it and just start to spruce it up. And then you would definitely take your time to make sure that you're following the pattern of the twist. Like you're not, you know, separating them in the wrong direction or pulling at the wrong pieces. You kind of want to separate where you feel like it's already loose and it can be separated. So I went ahead and I separated as a couple of them. I don't feel like I got all of them in the back, but I separated them enough to get a little bit more volume and body. I'm just gonna I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna go in and separate it extremely, but this is what it's looking like, and I think it came out really nice. The definition is definitely there, and I don't want it to get too big and to poof it out too much because I do want this to last me at least 2 to 3 days before I have to go back in and twist it up again. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm loving it. This is cute. This is cute. Okay, no complaints right now. I have absolutely no complaints right at this moment. All right, my loves, this about wraps it up for me. I think it came out really cute. I'm loving the results. There's no frizz. There's definition. My hair is moisturized and it feels really, really good. So I'm excited. I tried this twist out with the products that I did. I'm about to go sit on my couch, just looking real cute. I will see you guys in my next upload. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. If you enjoyed this little mini hair tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not smashed that red button down below, what are you waiting for? Join my YouTube family. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every single time I upload. I will be uploading frequently, so you need to know when my videos go up. And as always, love first. Bye, my babies.